Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YUMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will. Anyways, quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and the volume came back in a big way. Not quite as much as it was back here, but still well above average volume, so a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance as the week is just getting started and still 4 days left. So first level of support to keep an eye on is going to be this former breakout area right here at $4.84. Or we'll call it 85. And this is just based on, foundational rules in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken. So let's first establish that, yeah, this general area at 485 was indeed a level of resistance during this portion of the chart. But as the rule states, when those levels are broken, and it was broken this morning when the price opened all the way up above there, the rule states you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what happened here. I mean, in fact, a classic example of the price pulling back, finding support right there, and then with a nice bounce back to the upside. And then once again, late day today on Monday, finding some support right there. So in other words, 485 is a level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching and wondering about. And I bring that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics, and that's what that 485 mark is representing. No such thing as a guarantee, but it also would not be very shocking at all in the event 485 is broken to see the price then drift its way down to the 380 mark. But like I said, don't want to get too far ahead of myself because as of now, 485 has been doing a fantastic job of holding as support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, what I want to get in place there is this trend line here to keep an eye on because that seems to be the stubborn area now that's starting to take place is this downtrending trend line. So keep an eye on that going forward. And like I said, still 4 days left this week. So plenty of time for the price to try to make a move. But as of right now, in my opinion, at least, I don't know if necessarily the top priority thing is breaking that resistance trend line. I just think right now the higher priority thing is just going through a healthy consolidation and trying to stabilize and stay up above that 485 mark. So let's see what happens. But like I've said, 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.